morning, my dear children. Hope you all are fine. Last week, you studied the most famous poem of Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. Hope you have understood. Today, we will learn the first lesson from your textbook, The Beehive. And the name of our lesson is The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. The story which we are going to study today is a science fiction. So what is a science fiction? Science fiction is that category of stories which deals with imaginative and futuristic concepts such as science and technology. Isaac Asimov, an American writer and a biochemist, is popular for his science fiction and popular sciences. Our story, The Fun They Had, is set in future, in 2157. In that year, there were no schools like ours, no books like yours, that is printed books, and no teachers like me existed. So you will be wondering about their school, isn't it? Of course, they had schools. Their schools were a small room near their bedroom, and in that room, a mechanical teacher was already there, ready with the lessons. And also, they had telebooks instead of printed books. Telebooks are those books in which the lessons will be displayed on a big television screen and the words will be moving along with their reading. And our story is set in 2157. So let us take a look at the main characters of our story. Main character of our story, or the protagonist of our story, is Margie. Margie is an 11-year-old girl who is very curious to know about new things. The next character is Tommy. Tommy is a 13-year-old teenage boy and is a friend of Margie. And we have a mechanical teacher, which is black and ugly, with a big television screen, and a slot is there where these children have to put their homework and their test papers. The teacher will count them, correct their test papers within no time, and it will be written in a punching code which these children are taught when they are 6 years old. And we come across a new personality, a county inspector. A county inspector is a short, red-faced man with a box of tools and wires who repairs mechanical teachers. So shall we begin the story? So our story starts with our protagonist, or the Margie, sitting and writing a diary, dated 17th May 2157. And in her diary, she notes that today, Tommy has found a real book. A real book. So why Margie is thinking that it is a real book? Because that book is a printed book. So Margie remembers her grandfather once had told her about some books were printed when his great-grandfather was small children. So Tommy has found this book in the attic of his house. And they were very curious to know about the book. So they were checking the book. So this book was yellow and crinkly. So you might have used to go to library and seen old books where the pages are turned to yellow and the pages are torn here and there. And this book also looked same like that. And they found this book very funny because they are seeing for the first time the words which are not moving, the words which are there on the pages. Whenever they turn back or turn front, the words are as it is. Tommy found this as a real waste because he had thousands of books in his television screen, telebooks, which are whenever he wants to, he can go and read it, and the words are moving along when he is reading it. But Margie was curious to know what is inside the book, or what is the book about. So Tommy tells her that this book is about schools. So Margie was really surprised. Why someone is writing about school? What is there to write about school? Because Margie hated schools. You know the reason why Margie hated schools? Margie had a mechanical teacher. She was giving her geography tests, test after test, and Margie was doing worse and worse. And Margie's mother was very upset about this. Margie's mother took the teacher to the county inspector. In the year which we are living, child scores less marks, the teachers are not taken away, isn't it? You are taken to the class teacher, the section head, or your parents are called. But in 2157, things are not like that. The teacher is taken to the county inspector. The county inspector checks Margie's teacher and tells that the problem is not with Margie, it is with the teacher. Because the geography sector is geared up too high to the level of a 10-year-old girl. Geared up means it is so fast. It is not up to the level of a small girl. And now the county inspector have made it right, and it has been lowered down to a 10-year-old girl's level. And Margie's county inspector told Margie not to worry about. And Margie was very sad about all this because Margie thought that mechanical teacher should not be alright. Because once Tommy's mechanical teacher was taken away for a month because the history sector in the mechanical teacher was completely blanked out. And she hoped that also happens with her teacher. They should take away her. But nothing happened like that. Mechanical teacher was ready for the next class. So that is why Margie hated school. And now Margie is thinking about why someone writes about school. So she again asks Tommy, why someone writes about school? What is there so much to write about schools? So Tommy tells her that it is not the kind of school which they have. It is completely different. The old schools are completely different. And he explains her about the school which existed. That was a special, he told her that there was a special building which is called school, and all the children of the locality went together to that school, that special building. And in that building, a teacher, a human being, was teaching them. So Margie was surprised to listen to that. How can a man teach children? Can they know about everything? He told that yes, there was a human being as a teacher. All the children of the same age group sat inside one classroom, and a human being as a teacher came and taught them what he knew. He asked questions and he gave homework to them. And when the school time is over, these children go back to their houses together, very happily enjoying with each other. So that's what was a school about. So they were talking about school. It was not complete. At that time, Margie's mother called out. It was time for Margie's classes because Margie's mother was very particular about it. According to her, girls should have a study time, regular intervals. So Margie had classes at a particular time except Saturdays and Sundays. And it was the time of Tommy's school also. So they went away. So Margie came to her classroom where the mechanical teacher was ready with her arithmetic lesson of that day, just displayed on her television screen. She put her homework in the slot and sat in front of the mechanical teacher to study arithmetic. And the things were going on or displayed on the screen. But Margie's mind was not there. She was imagining about that school which she had read in that book. She was imagining that school where all the children of the neighborhood goes to a special building together very happily, sitting in the same classroom where there will be someone to help with the homework, there will be someone to talk to, and a human being as a teacher who can understand their feelings and teach them according to that. She was imagining about that school and about that children and about the fun those children had in olden days in that school. So you understood who had the fun those children had. That is Tommy's grandfather had when he was a little child. And I also know that you are also missing the fun which you had till last year, isn't it? You are missing that too. So let us hope and pray that this pandemic gets over soon and we will have all those fun which we had till last year, playing together, studying together, working together and enjoying together. Let us pray for everyone for this pandemic to end. Hope you have understood the lesson. And thank you, my dear children.